my people living especially in the border with Assam, in the border with Bangladesh, I tell you till today, they don't feel safe at all. They feel very threatened. And what is even sad is that the lands have been taken away from them. They've lost their livelihood. Why? Because of the failure of subsequent governments to settle this dispute, which has been there for many, many years. The Prime Minister himself will take the lead in putting an end to this long pending issue in the interests of our great nation in general and in the interests of my people, especially those living in the border areas.
Tim kita koridor, kemudian dan don sekemalai spa sepunyong kali ismi kita hapannya yau liu senam hajar konriu. Kenta kecing kali macam kenta jong ajong pi. Kalong Ukrasan Pakistan. Nongin embat nongin yai. Yakini kismi kita sa jong liu senam obathamai. Ngap penkamau yang ini yaki kentin jong pol. Kabuong namar yang aban kalau mau kris bat banyap kalong kacim toy. Para pengepit parok. Kani kali kebentan keketin kacim play. Kamanga khot banget tentu yang hilang akan kapol. Ai bakini kisispa lai spa sapunyo. Kali kismi jong lusnam. Kawe koi kismi kan kismi kamangin om tumong pol. Namar yang aban kalau kris bat banyap kalong kacim toy. Syabakan koi shikimat kibang don ya kawan pensnoh prenjongi kan kapol. Nakwa ban nginya usan bat nginya persang ban nganbo yagi jingkli bat yagi jubab syua barin poi syakimat ki bakong san kaban ka baning khong ka bakwa ya kaban bo ka jingkli hagan ka por kalong uai brio lo ni ka brio uai mga hangi bayan mangi hangi ka badan hangi ngilong uai ngilong ka nyai ngo ba kaktin ka jumoblay kapan kan mau yang abajapi bayang abajapi ong kaktin ka jumoblay lathau agadur ka jumoblay kitab Genesis lenong